I'm Steve, and today we're going to talk about a retractable badge reel. Before we get started on that, I wanted to mention that we're going to have the bad photo ID of the day at the end of this show, so stay tuned for that. This particular badge reel that I have in my hand, our part number is a BR-CI-2120-3002. 3002, and it's blue, as you can see. It comes in different colors, but this particular one with that part number is blue, and it has a belt clip on the back, so you can snap this easily onto a belt or attach it to any other clothing, but it's designed to snap over a belt and hold on securely. It's got a reinforced vinyl strap clip, so when you snap this together, one, it'll stay snapped, and two, it's a real tough material, so it would take a lot to break through this, so it's very durable. The cord, the retractable cord, is 34 inches long, so you can put it in, if you're reaching for a badge reader or to present your badge or card. It's very, very long, just under a foot, that'd be 3 feet, just under 3 feet, 34 inches. And something really unique about this, and this might be hard to see here, we'll zoom in a little bit, but there's a silver grommet on the inside here, and it reduces friction, makes it real smooth when you're pulling out the cord. And this particular badge holder, which is a very economical badge holder, is rated to 100,000 pulls, so that means it's going to last a long time. So some people call them badge reels, some people call them retractables, some people even call them yo-yos. But whatever you call them, just call ID Edge and we'll help you out with them. And we're always here to help you any way we can. So as promised, here's the bad photo ID of the day. And while you're looking at that, if you have any questions, submit them to us at our Facebook portion of our website. And if they're used on the show, we'll send you a little gift for participating. Call us at any time, 800-798-3343, or go to our website, idedge.com. Thanks.